Greetings, how are you? This is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see a professional trader enact this trade. I will explain why I'm taking trade. I will give you a sense of what I'm thinking, my analysis, why am I entering, why am I not entering, and there we go. This is 9 a.m. Central Time, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. The market, we saw a huge jump on Friday, Thursday and Friday, all the way up. That was over, I would say, 50 points up. Now the market has gone down. Am I expecting the market to continue down? Yes, but I'm also looking for a reversal because I'm a reversal trader. This is the new low of the market of the day. Yep, the market is just going down. I have a feeling it might go all the way to this level here, which is the support line from which the mayhem started. Might happen, but then let's see. So we're getting a zigzag down. Good zigzag down. Right now, I don't have any setup to enter any trade. My strategy is that this was a good trade for me. Whenever we have, my strategy involves simple moving average crossing each other, and that would have been a good trade, but I wasn't there. Now let's see if there's going to be a reversal. So what's going to happen? It's always interesting to wait for the market to be, just like one of my students mentioned, to have a predator-like patience for a movement. Right now, I don't really know what's going to happen, but I'm just looking for the signs that predicate my strategy. For example, these are very far, and I'm looking for price action for the candles to cross those lines and get here and see what they do. I'm also looking for this simple moving average to cross those other moving average, the 7-period moving average and the 12-period moving average. This line here is the 20-period moving average. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let's see if price action is going to cross this line decisively. If it does, I might enter. Let's see if it crosses the red line. Okay, it's doing so. Not totally, it's not a decisive cross, and then it reversed. This is what we're waiting. Scalpers, we like small movements, but obviously here it touched and is reversing down. Now there's a chance it might continue up, I'm not sure, but this is the high that it would need to cross. I like it when all the simple moving average are very close to each other. I enjoy them. And I like drawing my support lines just to give me an idea of the levels that price action needs to cross in order to show real movement. Okay, right now we got a significant movement down. Is it going to, let's see if it will cross the previous low. If it does, I will most likely get into that trade. That's a significant movement down. Significant movement down. Is price action going to cross the previous low? This low here? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, it's crossed it. Is it gonna cross that low? What we're looking for is a measure of momentum, saying that price action is going to do something, the market is going to go in its particular direction, and there's momentum, as if new energy has been infused into it. Now we're getting a reversal. Is there momentum? Possibly. We'll see if it's going to cross this line and then get here. Game of patience. As you can see, the market isn't crossing this level. Let's see if this will cross it now. If not, there's something that needs to happen with this level here. If it crosses this back, there's a chance it might actually go up. Oh, it crossed it. Did it cross it? No, it touched it, but didn't really cross it decisively. The cross must be a decisive cross, but it's still here. I'm not going to enter this trade. I prefer a decisive cross. -7 minutes of just looking at the market, just seeing what's happening. Oh, let me pause it, and then let's wait for the next movement. K912, I'm seeing some movement here. I'm see this very decisive candle, and the simple moving average, the second period, the 2-period moving average is crossing the other ones. Price action is almost touching this one, and if it crosses it and continues up, I will get into a trade. Let's see. Okay, I'm in. So let's see what's going to happen. Now, if it reverses past those lines, I should exit. Okay. It's moving. It's moving up. It's moving up. Let's hope it crosses this line. It didn't. Okay, let's hope it actually continues up. It did not. It touched that line. And oof. It's a little. Let's hope it continues its rise up. But honestly, the moment it touched that line and did not cross it, I should have exited. That should have been a quick movement. And let's hope it actually continues up, crosses it. That'll be amazing. Let's see. This is stressful. can do this. Let's go all the way up. Some. No, if it crosses it, then doesn't. Okay. Okay, good. Needs to cross it. We need a lot of power here. Yeah. Yep. This is the support line. Let's hope it actually continues up. I'm getting some pushback here. Wow, it's a huge pushback. Huge pushback. Let's hope it actually continues up. Okay. Let's see if you can go to the red. As you can tell, the red, that's this level here. And then hopefully it will get to that. But then first, let's hope it gets to the red first. See that low? I don't want it to cross back. Let's do this. Yes. There's potential here. We need a lot of momentum to cross. I'm sensing some resistance here. So I'm putting this just so I can grab my profit. Sensing some resistance around this area. It's not pushing through as fast as I would want it to. Again, this is my low. Okay, awesome. Let's go. Let's push on through. Ooh. Okay. It's getting here. See this line here? This level? It's stuck here and not crossing. Let's hope there's enough power to go all the way to that blue. This blue here. If not, if it crosses this line, I won't have any patience since I'm a scalper. I will most likely exit. But again, we're hoping it continues all the way up. If it could go all the way up here, who am I to say no to that? Okay. This is very decisive right now. I'm in a critical moment because this could be a sign of reversal. It crosses those lines. Okay. Push back up. Now I'm hoping it pushes back up. That's all I can do. But I have to act according to the signs. Okay, it's crossed it. If it doesn't go all the way up, it's very critical. If it crosses it all the way back up. This is very critical right now. I have to cross all the way to the red. Not sensing momentum. Okay, this might be it. This might be it. See, it's not able to cross that level here. so we could get there. It needs to cross this and get all the way up here. There's not a lot of momentum. Let's go market. Let's push it. Okay. Okay, we should exit. Man, it's gonna go back up. It has to cross that blue line and go to the red right now. There's some pushback. It's not crossing the 7-period simple moving average. It needs to cross it decisively. Hopefully it does right now. Okay. Don't return back. Just continue your movement. Okay, you waited, that's good. Now, if it crosses this back, I'm out. Okay, now, is it gonna cross this red line? This is where, if it doesn't, that means there's a level here that cannot be crossed. Man, this is stressful, isn't it? Let's go all the way up. Let's go all the way up. No, I don't think it's gonna do it. I don't think it's gonna. Or is it? Yeah, it's playing with this level here. This is the time for you to do it, my friend. This is the moment. This is it. Cross that red line. This is it. Become green and go all the way up. Yeah, very stressful. Very stressful. Let's continue up, continue. It's red. Let's go to the green. Let's go. Sun, let's go. We can do this. Yeah, can you see like the tug of war happening in those, especially those two? This is very decisive. Now, that being said, it's good that this line has gone up a little bit. This gives me more of a sense of if I have to exit, I'm gonna exit further. Now, okay, great. It's crossed it. Is it gonna touch? Now, if it crosses this back, that means it's not a good sign. Oh, it did cross it back, but there's some push. It's possibly pushing up. If it gets to red, oh, that's a lot of resistance here. This is why we call those lines resistance line. It's stopping the prices from going up, from continuing. Hopefully it breaks that resistance line. See that line, that red line? This is the line where I know if it crosses it, it's most likely out. Kaput, like they say. Okay. So now that blue line is my other line of exit. If it crosses it back, it's not a good sign for me. Okay, that blue line. Is it going to get to the red? Crossed it. And if it gets to the red, well. Okay. Is it going to cross that red line? I hope not. Why don't you just continue? Why don't you just continue? You know you want to continue. Okay, is it going to cross this line? Let's see, what is this line here? 2270. This is a very significant line. What is this here? So very significant. I'm putting the red line here. That's just to know. Okay. It's been a great movement. Superb trade, Gerard. Well done. Well done. Doing quite well. Okay. Oh, whoa. So I cross this line. I need to figure out if it's going to cross it decisively and get out. Not sure yet. Okay, this might be the moment. Oh, that's very decisive. Ooh, that's rough. I need to cross this. If it continues down, I will exit. Cross this line, and let's go all the way up. Not enough momentum. It's slowly going down. And I'm almost out. Wow, a lot of big tug of war happening here. There's a chance it still continues up. But I think I'm just going to grab the money right now, unless it doesn't continue up. If it crosses this line, this is the end of my line. Price action might still continue going up, might still rise, but this is the end of my line. I need to see that the market shows me that it's going to cross the red. See how it dipped? this would be okay. If it doesn't cross that red right now, we should start thinking of an exit. Let's see if there's momentum for that cross. It touched it but didn't cross it. It crossed it but reverted back. Still in there. Still in there. Okay. It touched the previous high. As you can tell, the previous high is here. It touched it but did not cross it. We needed to cross the previous high. And at least get here, all the way up. It needs to cross the previous high for the movement to continue to rise. See, okay, cross it. It touched it but did not cross it. It touched it but did not cross it. Crossed it. Crossed but revert, which is terrible. Okay. It would be nice if it just went up from there, but it crossed it and revert. Let's go. Okay, I'm getting my intuition is telling me that it's not gonna cross back, but I'd like it to cross back, but I'm mentally preparing myself to exit. Mentally preparing myself to exit. Okay, so right now you can tell price action crossed those lines. If it doesn't revert right now, you need to exit. If it continues down, that means it's going to take some of our profits, and we cannot have that. We cannot have that. Let's see if it's going to continue going up. Let's hope it continues rising. It's rise. Again, it went back. It reversed back that red line, which was a previous, see that line? This might be it. This might be it, because we would need price action to just continue right now. It's getting close, but not crossing it. It's getting close, man. It's a long trade. The indecision here is brutal, but it's really on my end. Okay. Okay, this is it. Okay, thank you very much for being there with me. Now, I think, that was a good trade. I exited right. At the end of the day, yes, I wish I could have known that it was going to stop and reverse back here. That way I could have captured the profits here. To 2266. So I exited somewhere here, 2266. Whereas that's like a 3 points that I kind of lost, but that's fine. That's fine. That was a very good trade. We entered this trade at 2258. Here, well done. We waited for price action to cross those lines decisively. Let's cross those two support line and then cross this line. So we end.